Hello, my name is Peyton. I am a third-year undergraduate student studying animal science, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about a danger that our companions at home might be facing. Let's get into it. There is a danger lurking for puppies and even older dogs. Canine parvovirus, or CPV for short. CPV is a virus that is contracted via the fecal-oral route, or when your dog unfortunately comes in contact with another infected animal's excrement. This virus is extremely contagious, and puppies who are not vaccinated are at a very high risk, as well as insufficiently or improperly vaccinated dogs. According to the National Institutes of Health, nearly 330,000 diagnoses are reported every year. This is extremely concerning, as the fatality rate of this virus in susceptible hosts can reach up to 91% in puppies without treatment. So what does it do? CPV is an infectious agent classified as a non-enveloped DNA. The virus enters the host individual through the fecal-oral route and then finds itself disrupting homeostasis, or the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. This disruption targets rapidly dividing cells, especially those in the intestinal epithelium and bone marrow, and this can lead to severe gastrointestinal and immune system damage. The main symptoms include malabsorption, diarrhea, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalances, and, if left untreated and not treated quick enough, death. So there really is good news when it comes to this virus. There are many preventions and there are treatments once diagnosed. The main effective preventative is, of course, the parvo vaccine. Given early and given properly can ensure the most effective results. When an infection is diagnosed, depending on the stage, treatments are available. The most notable include intravenous fluids to prevent dehydration, antibiotics to prevent secondary infection, and antiemetics to manage vomiting. We've learned that CPV can be extremely overwhelming and very dangerous, but with proper mitigation, prevention, and treatment, we can ensure all of our dog companions are safe and protected. Thank you so much for listening, and here I have attached my references.